At the recent China International Forest Products Expo, bamboo items took centre stage, showcasing their wide variety of uses. Already, they are being used across the nation to improve the services of established industries, such as the hospitality sector. From tiny sprouts just taller than the ground, bamboo can grow up to 200 centimetres each day and exceed 15 metres within a month. Inside this factory in East China's Zhejiang province, numerous production lines streamline processes such as cutting, polishing and assembling before the bamboo products are shipped to customers around the world. The combination of efficient mass production and ongoing research and development remains the fulcrum of the industry's innovation. By the end of 2022, China's bamboo industry was worth over 415 billion yuan and employed over 17 million people. While there is still a long way to go for bamboo products to compete with their plastic counterparts, the industry's growing prominence gives consumers worldwide a sustainable alternative.